Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of saved information of Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of saved information of account on the application of Messenger app, should just go to settings. In this page you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.